Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is replacing individual instruments in premixed audio. In this case, I'm going to use Ripx Deep Audio from Hit and Mix. Now this can be used to replace an unsuitable sound, or maybe just to give a track a change of feel, or you could use it to augment existing parts. So here's my track, and it sounds like this. Now I can use the audio suite functionality just to go over here and edit in Ripx, or I can just go straight into Ripx and pull the file in manually. So here's the track as it sounds in Ripx. Remarkably similar, but then I can solo up the bass on its own. So there's a couple of things I need to do. First of all, I need to export just this layer on its own as MIDI. Just go up here, export, and then got a few options here. So I can name my folder and fire it into the correct location. But over here, I need to change this to MIDI notes. Then I'm going to do the whole thing as we see it in front of us as a single file and hit export. So now I've gone back into the main arrangement and I've muted the bass, so we have a mix minus. And then all I need to do is export this as a stereo file straight out of Ripx. Okay, we want a WAV 24-bit. This is all looking good. This time I want a single file as opposed to separate stems, although I can export those from Ripx if I need to. And away we go. So back in my DAW, I've imported the audio file minus the bass and also the MIDI file, which contains the bass note information. Now I haven't done the full length in Ripx just for brevity, but you get the idea. So I can mute my original track with the bass in it, and I've decided to go for an electric bass feel. So I've got easy bass carrying the bass MIDI, and I've balanced that alongside my mix minus that I have exported from Ripx. Let's have a listen to the bass on its own. And that's just with some minimal cleanup in Ripx, so just deleting some notes to get nice clean MIDI to pull into the DAW. And here's my mix minus. And put them both together and you have a new aesthetic for your song. So that is replacing individual instruments in premixed audio. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Experts blog.